Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this exciting mascara that the launch was just like massive. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try that out on my channel. It is the new Benefit BADgal Bang Mascara. So we're going to be testing this out today. I've already done my makeup. I just need to do the lashes and then the mascara on the bottom lash line. So if you want to see how this mascara performs today on my channel, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll greatly appreciate that. And if you are subscribed, turn on that notification bell so you won't miss an upload when I do upload a video. And let's go ahead and get into this mascara. Alright, so I have it in this cute little confetti box because I got it as gratis at my job at Ulta. Some of you may not know, some of you already know, but I do work at Ulta part-time and we do get gratis, which is amazing. Super cool. But if you guys want me to do a separate video on the whole Ulta thing, I think I've already done videos on that. I'll link those videos down below so you can know all about that gratis and working at Ulta. But anywho, we received this as gratis and it pulls out like this with this stars of confetti, which I think is super cute. And it bounces up like this. Super cute. So it is the BADgal Bang 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara. Who's wearing this for 36 hours? Okay. So it claims to have a lot of things here. One of them being, it is pro vitamin B5 known to fuel thickness and strength. It is intense pitch black. It is water resistant. It also is smudge proof and flake free. Flake free. Let's test this out and let's see what happens. They are saying that it's gravity defying formula that's in this, which causes it to have a massive weightless volume, layers easily for big impact, derived from space technology. So on the side here, oh, it comes with a full-size mascara, which is right here. And this is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure we all know what it looks like by now, but super cute. I thought this was really cute how they launched everything. So let's go ahead and get into this actual, you know, mascara. It's really cute. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, but this right here is super cute. It has a little grip on the handle, and we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. Now let's talk about the wand really quickly. Wand hairs look like this. Not too many long brush hairs to be exact, but it may grab all of the lashes as this thing is claiming that it does. So I am going to start here. Oh, it smells like mascara. Like almost like paint. And I like that this is, whoo, my eyes got watery. These stars are getting everywhere. And I like that the end of the brush is it's kind of small, so you can get inside of your lashes as well. So it's definitely grabbing all of my hairs. But I'm going to get close and personal with you guys so that you can see. Right here is the mascara, and here it doesn't. You probably can see that already, and I'll turn to the side so you can see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line and come back and give you my final thoughts on this because I'm a bit shook. So I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line. Alright guys, so I'm back and I would have to say that I like this mascara so far. It definitely made my eyelashes, like, it looks like I have on falsies. Like, that is the type of mascara I love, where I don't have to always put on falsies. I love false lashes, but this is definitely something you can use if you're going to work and you just want to put some mascara on just to make you look like you've done something for the day. This right here, I like it. And it dried down pretty fast. Also, it didn't like get all over the place when I'm trying to put it on. It pretty much dried pretty fast. So I really do like this so far, but I'll have to continue to, you know, try it out, see how it wears out throughout the day. for a long period of time. Although this does says 36 hours, it should last at least your shift at work or school, 8 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours, whatever it is that you're doing. I like this mascara. I think you guys should try it, pick it up. The large one is $24. The full size one is $24. The travel size is $12. Let me know down below if you guys tried this Big Bang. I keep saying Big Bang because I want to say Big Bang Theory. BADgal Bang mascara by Benefit. Let me know down below if you guys tried this mascara, what you guys think about it. It is very lightweight. That's what I like about it. Like, I don't even feel like I have anything on my daggone lashes, which is pretty weird, but I like it. So let me know down below if you tried it. If you're interested in trying it, let me know. Also, give this video a thumbs up for more product reviews. If you're not subscribed already, you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.